Thank you guys again for joining me in another video. In today's video, I am planning the week of June 15 to June 21st. And this week's a little bit extra because it is my daughter's second birthday on Friday, so her birthday party will be on Saturday. And for this week, I will be using kit 631, the weekly sampler. I have the full boxes as well. I have sheet D just because I like it for these extra labels, the sidebar, and I did go ahead and put in the dates already for this. And then for my thin washi, I'll use out of the Daily Duo here. I don't think this week I will be using my ombre boxes because I'm going to plan just a little bit different. And then I did pull my stickers that I think that I will be using all for the week, so those are already pulled out. And I am just going to turn to my week at a glance here, make sure I am not missing anything. Okay, so I will start with the thin washi, and I think I'm gonna go with this pink one, just because, like I said, it is my daughter's birthday, so I just kind of want to emphasize the pink a little bit more for this week, for this week. So, and I will do the other side. And then go ahead and lay these down. Now, I think I'm going to start with the sidebar over here. I'm just going to close this so I don't hook myself. And I do use, I'm going to do this to do, and this are for to-dos that I want to get done for home. This week is more for, I'm going to put this thin washi right here just to kind of break it up a little bit. And then this week is more for meals that I do. Not like meal planning, but just kind of what I will cook for that day. Just try to map some of it out, and it's been working pretty good. Sometimes I forget to put it in, but overall it has helped when I want to kind of look back and see what did I cook, or when was the last time we ate something, and that kind of helps me just to come up with different meal plans. So that is that. And I'm gonna use these for work. And work I am going to do at 9 a.m. because I've been going in around anytime between 8 and 9, but we'll just do 9. So the only appointment that I have is on Tuesday at 2:30 for my lashes. I'll do it about right there. Then I am going to do something a little bit different. I'm just kind of mark my work day, just kind of put an arrow down here. Okay, and so that just kind of indicates that I'm working those days, just blocking it off that way to kind of add a little bit more of my to-dos in here versus a to-do list. Kind of want to highlight the things for the day that need to pop out the most, because in my Daily Duo sheet, or even my week at a glance, and I have my 2-year-old coming, I can see the full picture. Okay, so like I was saying, yes, this way I can just kind of mark or highlight the things that I need to get done versus a to-do list here. And then we'll kind of see how this plays out for the week. I am going to do one. Oh, I should have put down my school one, because when I have school I only stay until about 4:30, because obviously I have class, and if I get out at 5, by the time I pick up the kids from daycare it's 5:30. I got like 30 minutes to get myself situated and whatnot. So But I did forget to put down the stick washi down here. Now I can do English all the way down like that. And I think, yep, I have it right here. I had already put down my homework for this week on this. So we just have the final draft for team project that we need to get done. I'm gonna put this one from the Monster Co. just because that's how I'm feeling right now. I'm close. One more week after this week and we are done. And we are done with another class. And I can just not wait, honestly. So I know Friday is my daughter's birthday. As of right now, I don't think I am going to take it off because we are going to do a birthday party for her Saturday. So, but I don't know yet. I honestly do not know. I could take the day off or I could not. I don't know. As of right now, I am anticipating that I will not. Just because, why am I putting this on here? Because I want to write her name. But who knows? I might decide, you know what, we're going to take the day off last minute. I do have some cuter Monster Co. birthday ones that I did not pull. Well, might do it on Saturday. So Saturday, we told everyone from 4 and it's here at the house, so there is no leave time. And I'm gonna do this one with presents, balloons, some cake, candles. Just fill it up with everything, right? Oops. And I like that. That's kind of cute. Just to indicate her birthday there. Can't believe she's 2 already. Just to think that 2 years ago I was patiently waiting for her after 10 years, because her and my first one are 10-year difference. So that is, it's gonna be an emotional day. I know that for a fact, because she was a blessing that happened after 10 years. Before I found out that I was gonna have her, I thought with Melissa, kind of gave hope in a way that I wasn't gonna have any more kids, but that was just because I was also I had left my ex-husband and we were getting a divorce and everything, so you know, and I think I was 30 when I got pregnant. Yeah, so pretty much I was like, okay, I think that's it, you know, because I was like, by the time I find someone and you know, you get to know them and all that good stuff, you're like, I'm gonna be like 34 or something, and I don't know if I want kids anymore after that, being that old for myself, just for my preference, right? That's just what I said. I'm gonna use this one actually from the Monster Co. But Liliana said, nope, you will have me. And we love her, we adore her. She is the funniest little girl on the earth. She definitely makes our day worth it. Always doing something. She's just a big troublemaker. I am gonna put planning time right here. I am doing a laundry tonight. So where's laundry? Laundry day right here. Oh, these stickers are a little tight. Or not tight, they're not as kiss cut perfectly, but that's fine. They're still able to come off without tearing so far. So sometimes that happens. It just means that the blade probably didn't get changed or something. Trying to think what else. Tomorrow is Tuesday. I just have my lashes. Wednesday, Tuesday is clean house. So that way for Wednesday, we'll have all the trash out. Okay. Thursday, nothing really. Friday, I know I'm just going to be running a bunch of errands after work. And tomorrow and in the morning. So let me do this weekend banner up here. I'll do it up here just so I know what I'm gonna be doing. And the only reason why I kind of want to take a day off, like I said, is because I might want to get things done. But I still don't know. We might go through the week with my husband and get some of the things, like, you know, sodas, plates, stuff like that. So I'm just gonna put this here and get groceries. I want to try to stick to this Sunday routine that we kind of been doing, but I know we are going to be tired probably from the party Saturday, but we'll see. We will see. Okay, I think that's done there. Let me see what I have over here. I always forget that I pull stickers from the Monster Co. So I have this laundry one. This week I have done a lot better. So I'm just gonna put it on top so I don't take that one off. There we go. I like that better. I was doing dishes and I'll just kind of put it up here during work day. It really wasn't happening during work day, but it's actually in a good mood to do dishes. And I did dishes at work, honestly. So maybe that works out perfect. Here, we will kind of highlight that at 8 on Tuesday. And I'll use the same one for Thursday. Daycare, just like that. These ones are gonna go right next to my work, just to add a little bit of more decoration, which I enjoy. The Monster Co stickers, I really do. I think they are like the best icon stickers out there right now, and I really do like them. Next to lashes, I'm just gonna do this just to kind of make sure that my lashes are clean, I guess. That way when I go in, we're good to go. I'm trying to think what else. I do need to do, I use the one from here on Saturday for pay bills. Oh, and I had put pay date, and it was pay bills that I was trying to put down. And I will do this little guy right there. I'm gonna take one of these off, the orange one, because I need to put down to pay daycare and deposit the check and all that good stuff that we always have going on. And I'll just add this up there just for who knows why, but yeah. So this is how this week is looking. Did not touch this one. I'm not gonna put any of these down yet because I don't know what all will be going on. I might put this one up here just to fill in. I know Sunday for sure we're not doing a lot of things, but if anything, like I could do this here just to add some decoration to the planner so it doesn't look so plain. No, I want to do this flower one actually. Like that. Yeah, that just kind of blocks out some of the day. So, and then just depending what I have. I don't anticipate getting any more errands, but if I do, I have the stickers and all that. So I'm gonna put this inside my planner. Oh, you know what I'm forgetting? I am forgetting to mark my YouTube videos. So we are getting, I was getting ahead of time, or not ahead, but I was planning recording and editing ahead of time, and we are getting behind. So Tuesday the 16th, and then you guys will be seeing this video on the 22nd, hopefully. So this will be planned with me July 7th through July 14th, and then we have the monthly July plan with me that I'm hoping will go up on Wednesday. So I try to schedule them around 10. Or should I do it for Thursday so it's not too much? No, we're just, I like the Monday, Wednesday, so we'll stick to that. Saturday is also my godson's birthday, so I will just kind of put that right here, kind of next to it, like that. I don't think there's another birthday balloon on here. Would have been nice, but there's not. Okay, that's fine. Do need to grab this one. And then my ombre boxes can just go in my Daily Duo when I'm planning in there for the day. I just kind of want to try this format for a bit. Just for when school starts again. Like that. And then these ones I've been keeping in this. I added this side pocket here, corner pocket, to my dividers here, and that's just so my stickers are right off hand for me to grab when I need them. And yeah, so I'll remove this just for a bit, but yep, this is it. I'm really liking it. I'm enjoying it. It does look a little bit busier, I feel like, with the arrows, but that is how my week goes. So I mean, I am working all that time, and I think when I was putting those ombre boxes here, it just didn't leave me enough room to plan what I wanted to get done throughout the day. And even though like at work I did plan, I figured out what I needed to do, my videos go up during that time, and so when I was having the ombre boxes, they were just scattered, and I didn't really like that. So I feel like this is gonna work out a little bit better for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give this video a like. And if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell button to get notified every time I post a video. And if you have subscribed, thank you guys for joining me again and watching my videos. Bye.